Hey guys, in this video I've got a sunglasses storage solution that goes in between the sun visors. If you've got the auxiliary switches, you don't get the sunglasses holder. So this just clips in to the trim panel across the top there and just gives you somewhere to put your sunglasses. Let's get it installed and check it out.
A big thank you to Beegrow for providing the product for this video. This is a rubberized TPE material, very flexible and waterproof, and 2 clips to hold it in place. I installed the clips first to make sure they go all the way through. Make sure that the little lip on the clip goes underneath that rubber area. When installing this, I found it easier to insert one plastic clip first into the plastic header. I inserted the second clip with the sunglasses holder attached. And then I slid the sunglasses holder up into the first clip.
Another really easy install. It just clips onto the plastic trim piece across the windshield. It's a TPE kind of rubber material, so in the video it kind of looked a little bit deformed. It's just because it's that rubber material. It's waterproof therefore, so you can put your sunglasses in there. I've done about 75 miles an hour down the freeway and nothing's flown out. So if you thought this was a great storage solution, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.